Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. Today we're going to have a global view of all Power Platform products and services.
In the last video, we spoke about the Power Platform products, which are shown on screen. In this video, we're going to have a look at the core services, which are the foundation, or should I say the underpinning on which the Power Platform products are based on. First, we're going to talk about Microsoft Dataverse. Business applications need to store data that they collect from users or might want to bring data together which are in separate silos in the organization. Bringing the data together allows building applications and automations easier. The Dataverse or Common Data Services, as it was previously known, lets you do this easily. That is, securely store and manage data. Here on screen, we have a summary of the Dataverse architecture. The Dataverse lets you tap across multiple Microsoft underlying data storage technologies, bringing the best of all the services in this form. Data within Dataverse is stored within a set of tables. A table is a set of rows and columns. Each column in the table is designed to store a certain type of data. For example, name, age, salary, and so on. Dataverse includes a base set of standard tables that cover typical scenarios, but you can also create custom tables specific to your organization and populate them with data by using Power Query. These standard and custom tables within Dataverse provide a secure and cloud-based storage option for your data. Now we're going to have a look at the next core service, which is data connectors. Because all data will not be in Dataverse, Microsoft has implemented the concept called connectors. The connectors enable Power Apps as well as Power Automate flows to essentially interact with data from other systems and services, such as Google, SAP, Salesforce, etc. This allows you to do those interactions without having to know the APIs or the developer interfaces that those services provide. Microsoft offers a wide variety of ready-made or pre-built connectors, but sometimes you might want to call APIs, services and systems that aren't available as pre-built connectors. So you can build custom connectors. There are over 500 out-of-the-box connectors provided by Microsoft today. Now let's move on to the next core service, which is AI Builder. Today, applications are expected to be smarter, more proactive, and not reactive to problems that might occur. Using AI in your applications is one way of achieving that result. With AI Builder, you can create and use AI models that optimize your business processes. You can either use a pre-built model that is ready for many common business scenarios or create a custom model that meets your needs. AI Builder helps your business to automate processes and gain insights from your data in Power Apps and Power Automate. Now we're going to have a look at the next core service, which is PowerFx. Microsoft PowerFx is the new name for the formula language that you might have used for Canvas apps in Power Apps. It is the low-code language that will be used across Microsoft Power Platform. It is a general purpose, strong typed, declarative, and functional programming language. PowerFX binds objects together with declarative spreadsheet-like formulas. It is expressed in human-friendly text. It is a low-code language that makers can work with directly in an Excel-like formula bar or Visual Studio Code text window. The low code is due to the concise and simple nature of the language, making common programming tasks easy for both makers and developers. PowerFX will be made available as open source software. It is currently integrated into Canvas apps, and Microsoft is in the process of extracting it from Power Apps for use in other Microsoft Power Platform products and as an open source. The last core service that we're going to talk about is managed environments. Managed environments is a suite of premium capabilities that allows admins to manage Power Platform at scale with more control, less effort, and more insights. Admins can use managed environments with any type of environment. Certain features can be configured upon enabling a managed environment. Once an environment is managed, it unlocks more features across the Power Platform. Managed environments is included as an entitlement with standalone Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Power Pages, and Dynamic 365 licenses. And with that, we had a look at all the Power Platform products and core services. Let me in the comments below what you thought about this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.